Hey there, are you looking for jailbreaking software for your iPhone? Maybe you're searching for QuickPawn. Let me tell you that QuickPawn.com is a fraud. Yeah, now they have a lot of site links, but they are not the actual developers of QuickPawn. That is actually the dev team. That's located at blog.iphone/dev.org. But what has happened is this person registered a domain name called QuickPawn.com, and they began putting all these ads on the site and then just talking about the jailbreaking software for the iPhone. So then all these people began going there and signing up for their newsletter. And then the developers said, you know what? Stop this. You're pretending to be us. So I did this blog post about it. I did a video, so I recorded what their site looked like. And I also took some screenshots and stuff, right? And basically, they have so many ads on their site that myself and several folks, thank you very much, submitted reports to Google saying, you know what? This site is completely plastered with advertising. Well, I wanted to check and see how things were going now. So QuickPawn.com has now changed the look. Looks like they're running on WordPress, and they have a theme here, and now they have things like, see, it says sponsored ads. Before they didn't have this. It was like everything was like mixed together. So now when you click on these articles, if you could even call them articles, it takes you to a post which has some type of content and then a bunch of ads. So they still have ads, but at least now there's some readable text. But I still think that it's really disreputable to, say they have no downloads there. The only downloads they have go to other websites because QuickPawn.com never made any software for the iPhone ever. And the dev team, which made Yellow Snow, which made Ultra Snow, Red Snow, right, and they're the actual group of folks who actually made it. They don't actually have any ads on their site, and they don't accept donations either. The team includes Bug Out, Marcan, all these different Muscle Nerd, all these different Pumpkin, all these different folks. These are the people who are making your stuff. So if you have questions, right here, iCommunity, they have forums, you can ask questions over here. If you are spending your time over at QuickPawn asking questions and leaving comments like all these folks, all you're doing is adding to whatever these disreputable folks are doing. Let me show you something else. Let's check out their About page. I went over there because I wanted to see they were going to say, oh yeah, we're not actually the makers of QuickPawn. But instead, it just says about QuickPawn. It doesn't say QuickPawn.com, but just about QuickPawn. And they're like, oh, we were launched then, and there's 3 technology enthusiasts. But it still doesn't say anything like, we are not the developers. So I think that's screwed up. And then if you go over to downloads, it shows the downloads, but once again, it still does not say, oh, we're not the actual makers. So I still think they're screwed up. I think this is just completely dishonest thing to do. And here we go. Add our iPhone web app. What the hell are they talking about? I don't know, but I've been collecting screenshots and do this little video, and it's just real sad that there's people out there like this that would try to turn a dime on someone else's talent. But with that, take care. Please do not visit QuickPawn.com.